Have you ever heard of robots that can understand and talk like humans? Well, get ready to be amazed because a big breakthrough is on the way. Imagine if you could talk to your computer and it would understand you just like a friend. That's where GPT-5 and its special friend Gpt-Bot come in. GPT-5 is like a super smart computer brain that can understand the words you use and talk back to you. It's a part of something called artificial intelligence, or AI. Think of it as a robot that knows all the words in the world and can have a chat with you about anything. But wait, there's more. GPT-Bot is like GPT-5's helper. It's a special type of robot that goes on the internet and collects lots of words from different websites. It's like a superhero that gathers information and brings it back to GPT-5. This helps GPT-5 become even smarter and better at understanding what people say. Imagine you have a friend named GPT-Bot. This friend loves exploring the internet and reading all the interesting stuff people write. GPT-Bot goes to websites and picks up lots and lots of words. These words are like building blocks for GPT-5. GPT-Bot takes these words to GPT-5 and says, "Hey, look at all these cool words I found. Let's use them to talk to people." But GPT-Bot is a smart friend. It knows some rules. It only goes to websites that anyone can visit, so no secret stuff. It also stays away from websites that have personal information like names, addresses, and secrets. And guess what? GPT-Bot doesn't like websites that have bad words or mean stuff either. It's a polite and respectful robot. When you ask a question, GPT-5 thinks about all the words it learned from GPT-Bot and gives you a smart answer. It's like having a really clever friend who always knows what to say. GPT-5 and GPT-Bot help each other become better every day. GPT-Bot brings new words from the internet, and GPT-5 learns from them. This teamwork makes GPT-5 super powerful and helpful. This new version will be even smarter and cooler. It's like GPT-5 is going to school and learning new tricks. People who make GPT-5 are working very hard to make it the best it can be. GPT-5 will be able to understand not only the words you write, but also pictures, videos, and even the sound of your voice. It's like a superhero with super senses. This means it can help with lots of things, like making stories, talking in different languages, and answering tricky questions. But wait, there's a big question. Can GPT-5 become as smart as humans? Some people say maybe in the future, but right now it's still learning. It's like a baby robot growing up. There are many things GPT-5 needs to learn before it can be as smart as your mom or dad. You've learned how GPT-5 and GPT-Bot work together like superheroes and how they're getting ready to become even better. But guess what? There's more to explore. We'll discover how GPT-5 and GPT-Bot make our lives easier and more fun. So stay tuned and get ready for the next adventure. In this part, we're going to discover how these amazing robots make our lives better and more fun every day. Imagine you have a friend who's really good with words. GPT-5 is like that friend, but even better. It knows so many words and can use them to help you. You can ask GPT-5 questions like, "Tell me a story about a dragon." And guess what? It will create a story just for you. It's like having a magical storyteller always by your side. But that's not all. GPT-5 can also understand different languages. So if you want to say hello in French or Spanish, GPT-5 can help you with that. It's like having a language expert in your pocket. Remember our friend GPT-Bot who explores the internet? Well, GPT-Bot finds cool stuff that helps GPT-5. It's like GPT-Bot goes on a treasure hunt and brings back lots of shiny words. GPT-5 uses these words to understand what you're saying and give you the best answers. GPT-Bot is like a detective that follows rules. It only goes to safe places on the internet, like playgrounds for words. It doesn't visit places with secrets or mean stuff. GPT-Bot is like your online friend who keeps you safe while finding amazing things. Have you ever needed help with homework? GPT-5 can be your study buddy. It can explain tricky things in simple words. GPT-5 also loves to play games with you. You can ask it to make up riddles or jokes. It's like having a funny friend who never runs out of jokes. And guess what? GPT-5 can help you write stories or poems too. It's like having a creative friend who inspires you. Hold on tight because GPT-5 is about to get even cooler. Imagine if GPT-5 could understand pictures, videos, and sounds. That's exactly what's coming. GPT-5 is learning how to see images and watch videos. It's like GPT-5 is getting superhero eyes and ears. This means GPT-5 can help you make drawings, understand movies, and even talk to you like a friend. But remember, GPT-5 is still learning. It's like a superhero in training, getting better every day. So there you have it. GPT-5 and GPTBot are our special friends who help us in so many ways. They're like superheroes that make learning, playing, and talking even more exciting. GPT-5 can chat with us, teach us new things, and bring smiles to our faces. GPTBot is like GPT-5's sidekick, searching the internet for cool words and keeping us safe. Together, they make a powerful team that's always there to help. And guess what? This is just the beginning. GPT-5 and GPTBot are growing, learning, and becoming even better friends for us. Imagine GPT-5 as a super robot that knows almost everything. It's like a library inside your computer. GPT-5 can help you with school projects, tell you fascinating facts about animals, and even explain how rockets fly to space. It's like having a wise friend who knows all the answers. But here's the cool part. GPT-5 can also understand when you're sad or happy. It can talk to you like a friend who cares. You can tell it about your day and it will listen and talk back. It's like having a buddy who's always there to chat. Hold your hats, because GPT-5 is about to do even more amazing things. Imagine if GPT-5 could understand pictures you draw and turn them into stories. Or what if it could watch a video and tell you what's happening? GPT-5 is learning these tricks, and it's getting better every day. GPT-5 might even help doctors understand illnesses or scientists discover new things. It's like having a genius friend who helps solve big mysteries. And guess what? GPT-5 could also be your teacher, helping you learn new skills and facts. It's like having a virtual school buddy. Now that you've journeyed through GPT-5 and GPTBot's world, you might be wondering what you can do with them. Well, you can ask GPT-5 anything you want to learn about. You can also tell it to create stories, riddles, or jokes for you. It's like having your own personal entertainer and teacher. But wait, there's more. You can also tell your friends and family about GPT-5 and GPTBot. Share the excitement and tell them how these robots can help them too. It's like spreading a secret of fun and learning. As we await updates, it's evident that GPT-5 and GPTBot integration will reshape language models and AI interactions. As we wrap up this adventure, don't forget to stay curious and keep exploring the world around you. Just like GPT-5 and GPTBot are discovering new things, you can too. Keep asking questions, learning new stuff, and having fun along the way. If you enjoyed this journey with GPT-5 and GPTBot, remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures like this. Don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we release new stories.